These techniques are known as bioregenesis technologies, which were once common knowledge taught in the pre-ancient mystery schools of advanced human cultures. These were regarded as standard as well as essential daily practice. The Maharic seal, like all bioregenesis technologies, implies application of specific conscious energy directed to and within the core manifestation template of the body. This technique directly activates the specific mathematical geometrical relationship within and between the angelic human and the planetary organic evolutionary blueprint, utilizing the hydroplasmic frequencies of the 10th, 11th, and 12th dimensional Maharic current. The Maharic current was fully re-anchored on this planet for the first time in about 210,000 years at the GRUAL point, Sarasota, Florida, Signet 2 point of the planetary Templar grid on May 5th, 2000. The Maharic seal is a major tool by which the purpose, intention, awareness, and effect of the angelic human can be significantly accelerated in a genuine, substantial, and high-impact fashion. Regular use of the Maharic seal will begin the process of activating the 8th through 12th chakras of the personal Cathara grid. It will assist the opening of crystal fields in the body, which otherwise block DNA activation. It will open the planetary biofeed interface within the personal body, enabling the body vehicle to become a truly effective tool for lasting planetary grid and sacred site work. It will trigger DNA activations, which progressively will automatically activate the full Merkaba. It will enable healers to transmit 12D frequency subharmonics, providing more powerful, longer-lasting, and often permanent healing facilitation, free of personal and client energetic field distortions. It will protect users from disharmonic energies associated with channeling healing, astral projection, and other means of personal field infiltration. It will assist indigo type 3 children anchor the higher frequencies which cause fractious behavior. It will amplify the results of spiritually focused activity. And it will harmonize personal and environmental energies. It will create morphogenetic repatterning, clearing karmic and miasmic imprints, which otherwise block DNA activation, and the attainment of true consciousness expansion and full embodiment of the Christos principle. It will realign, revitalize, and regenerate all aspects of the physical and subtle body systems. It will also trigger activation of 11th and 12th subharmonics in every DNA strand, which assists correction of code reversal and the effects of interaction with other code mutated partners. It will prepare and equip practitioners to receive and hold the increasing flow of higher frequency energies flowing into the planetary grids and personal morphogenetic fields, arising from the intensifying stellar activation cycle now underway. Prior to this use, follow the steps carefully and practice the visualizations and their sequence slowly for familiarity. Let's begin. The Maharic seal technique. Imagine the two-dimensional image of a Merkaba star or six-pointed Star of David in the color of pale silver, as if the image is drawn on a black background on the inside of your forehead. This image represents a composite scalar wave pattern Kaylonic symbol code called the Hierophant. Its color denotes the frequency spectra of the 11th and 12th dimensions, and its form, combined with these color frequencies, represents the control code of the 12th dimensional frequency band. It is the key code to unlock the 12th dimensional Maharic shield in the personal and planetary scalar grids. Inhale while visualizing the Hierophant symbol at the center of the brain in the pineal gland. Exhale while using the exhale breath to firmly move the Hierophant down central vertical body current, then out between the legs and straight down into Earth's core, your 13th chakra. Inhale while imagining that you can see at Earth's core a huge disc-shaped crystalline platform of pale silver light that extends outward on a horizontal plane through the entire body of the Earth and out into the atmosphere. Visualize the Hierophant suspended in the center of the disc. This image represents the planetary Maharic shield, the scalar wave grid composed of dimension 10, 11, and 12 frequency, with the Hierophant key code positioned to activate the planetary shield. Exhale while pushing your breath outward into the Earth's Maharic shield, imagining as you exhale that the force of the breath has made the Earth's Maharic shield begin to spin. Inhale, using the inhale breath to draw pale silver light from Earth's spinning Maharic shield into the Hierophant positioned at the center of the planetary shield. Exhale, using the exhale breath to push the pale silver light throughout the entire Hierophant, making the Hierophant glow and pulsate with pale silver light. Inhale, imagine that the glowing pale silver Hierophant momentarily flashes crimson red and returns to pale silver. Then use the inhale breath to draw the Hierophant vertically up from its position at Earth's core to a position 12 inches below your feet, the position of your dormant personal Maharic shield scalar wave grid. As you inhale the Hierophant upward from Earth's core, imagine that it trails a thick cord of pale silver light behind it. One end of the silver cord remains attached to Earth's core, the other attached to the Hierophant. The cord represents an energy feed line through which you will draw energy up from the Earth's Maharic shield into your personal Maharic shield. Exhale with your attention on the Hierophant positioned 12 inches below your feet, and use the exhale breath to push a burst of pale silver light outward on a horizontal plane from the Hierophant. Imagine that a disc-shaped crystalline platform of pale silver light, about 4 feet in diameter, extends on a horizontal plane 12 inches beneath your feet around the Hierophant and its center. This image represents your personal Maharic shield. Inhale while using the inhale breath to draw more pale silver light up through the pale silver cord from Earth's core into the Hierophant at the center of your personal Maharic shield. Exhale using the exhale breath to push the pale silver light from the Hierophant out into your Maharic shield. Imagine that your Maharic shield now pulsates as it fills with the pale silver light from Earth's core. Inhale, again drawing more pale silver light up from Earth's core through the pale silver cord into the Hierophant. And imagine the pale silver cord expanding to 4 feet in width, forming a pillar of silver light running up from Earth's core directly into your 4-foot diameter Maharic shield. Exhale again, using the exhale breath to push pale silver light from the Hierophant outward in your Maharic shield, while imagining that your Maharic shield takes on a life of its own, the disc suddenly folding upward with a popping sensation to form a 4 feet diameter pillar of pale silver light all around and running through your body. Inhale, imagining that the inhale breath draws the pale silver light from the pillar, encasing the body into every body cell. Sense the tingling feeling as the pale silver light moves through the physical body. Exhale, imagining that you can feel the energy of the pale silver light expanding into every cell of the body and then outward around the body into the biofield. Breathe naturally for a minute or two as the feeling of the pale silver light moves through you, while sensing the energy presence of the Maharic seal pale silver pillar 4 feet around your body. The more time you spend breathing and sensing the energies, the more dimension 10, 11, 12 frequency you are drawing into your pillar, which will increase the length of time the Maharic seal pillar will remain in your biofield. Return your attention to the Hierophant, still positioned 12 inches below your feet. Inhale, using the inhale breath to draw the Hierophant up through your central vertical body current, then out the top of your head to a point about 36 inches above the head, the 14th chakra. Exhale forcefully, using the exhale breath to rapidly expand the Hierophant outwards on a horizontal plane at the 14th chakra, until the Hierophant suddenly disappears from view with a mild popping sensation. Breathe normally while visualizing for a moment a brilliant 4 feet pale silver pillar of light extending from the Earth's core upward, fully encasing your body and extending far above the head into Earth's atmosphere and to a single star of pale blue light far off in deep space. Your Maharic shield is now temporarily activated, and your Maharic seal pillar is temporarily manifest within your biofield. The Maharic seal will remain in your biofield anywhere from 20 minutes to 1 hour at first. The more this exercise is practiced, the longer the pillar will remain. For a quick reinforcement of the Maharic seal, once the full process has been run within 24 hours, simply imagine a spark of pale silver light at the pineal gland. Exhale it rapidly down to Earth's core, and imagine the Earth's Maharic shield spinning. Call to mind the pale silver cord and inhale the 4 feet diameter cord all the way up around you, forming the pillar, attaching it out in deep space to the star of pale blue light.